So this is my project, James Tolentino and Mukdil Mukbat's project. We decided to start over because debugging, we had so many problems with debugging and we didn't know what to do anymore. So we just decided to start over and implement the things that we knew how to do so that we would have the core functionality that is the objective of this quarter. So as of right now, we have our employee login, which will log in, have a session so that we can have our own cart. We also have an administrative login. This currently does not function at the moment in the limited time that I've been working on this, but we can do it. We'll be able to finish this by we'll be able to submit a final that is good enough. All the validation. So right now we have this, doesn't go anywhere, it just goes into session. I don't have any validation at the moment. Same as employees. We have a nav bar now that sends you to home, sends you to the menu. We will add navigation here. We don't have a cart yet. This is where we're going to do our logout to abandon the session. So this is what currently is of the store at the moment because we started over. We had too many things going on in the old project that we just had to abandon it. We had no idea how to fix it, and it wouldn't run. It wouldn't go anywhere. So if we focus more on what we're supposed to do to complete the tasks that are given to us, I think we'll be able to complete our objectives for this quarter. Now, if you'd like to see the code, we have our tests here, but we haven't put any tests in here yet. We're still trying to make the code work first before we implement stuff with data and displaying things. But cart controller, working on a cart still, putting into sessions. This is where we're having our error message displayed. This is the item controller. This is where we move items or products into the cart. This is the login, log out controller. Entities frameworks, added to a session. This is for the admin. Entity frameworks, validations right here if everything works fine. And then here's a logout, a session abandoned. If you hit it when you're not logged in, it'll say that you're not logged in, so you know. Product controller, this is where the menu, how the menu works is how we show it as a list. Student controller, going to be working on this. Is where we're going to put our scrum for the administrator to be able to move stuff around, create, as well as the product controller. We're going to add that in there too, some scrum things that the administrator can do. Some views here, cart view, and the making a list. Menu pretty much works right now. Just working on adding the this action right here so that we can add it to the shopping cart. The layout's pretty simple. That's about it. So as of right now, we have an idea of what we're doing, and at least at this point, though we are far behind, at least we know that our program is going to function rather than not having a website or application that doesn't run and has so many errors. This is what we decided was the best choice, so I think If we continue the grind, we'll be able to complete a final that is acceptable by the due date, with all the requirements that are needed, as well as a little extra, because like we said, we have a better idea. We can actually move forward rather than having to get stuck and fix bugs or things with our limited knowledge of how to fix errors and stuff. So yeah, this is what we have as of today. Yeah, this is it. Thank you.